Hey everyone, thanks for checking out this video. So today we'll be talking about the Board and Train program. Now this is one of our most popular programs, and it's also one of the most booked up programs. So there's not a lot of spaces available. And so let's get right into the questions because I know that you probably have a lot. So typically we like to have your dog for 3 to 4 weeks. Now there's a specific reason in that, because we can do off leash with your dog, we can properly leash train them. If your dog has behavioral problems, we can work on those. If your dog has not been properly socialized, or maybe your dog is starting to become aggressive towards other dogs or people, we can do all kinds of different things there. So your dog would literally be living with us and interacting with us. We call it doing life. Your dog would be doing life with us. And so sometimes people like to expedite the process, do a week-long head start board and train, and then filter into private lessons and then into group training lessons. Either way, we're going to have to do training with you guys and your dog. So having said that, regardless of what option you choose with us, we're going to be training with your dog and we're going to be training you guys. You guys will not be left after the board and train without any help. Don't worry about that. We've got that covered as far as getting you the help and the maintenance that you're going to potentially require afterwards. So we're really diligent about making sure that you guys are really encouraged and have a good support team after your dog goes home, just to make sure that those results stick. We don't want your dog falling into any old habits or anything like that. So we got you covered there. So if you have any questions, feel free. Just shoot me an email. It's ted@mangodogs.com. You can give me a call personally at 902-489-4269. Check out some video of LULU, a dog that we worked with a little while ago. And again, if you have any questions, feel free. Just get a hold of me. Thanks for watching.
It's 7:30 a.m. Come on, let me out. I have to pee. Working on my downstay. Is this a drive-thru? Are we at Starbucks? Get me a muffin. And oh man, BB gets the frisbee again. Time for a dip in the lake.
That's my dog Lulu, yellow lab. We've had her in for some training. She had some issues with coming back when we called her. She was pulling on the leash when we walked her, and a lot of times when she hit bones and stuff, she definitely didn't want to give them up, and we wanted to get her out of that, get her trained properly, and now we've never had her off leash. She's doing amazing now that Ted's had her for just 3 short weeks, and she's just doing amazing.
Winding down for the night. Can't wait to do it all again in the morning.